Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FAMI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very impressive day on this one. Big volume, nice price movement, especially the volume explosion during the last 30 minutes. And all things considered about how the overall markets had a rough day, and there was a lot of stocks that were gapping down today and not putting in new highs. So all things considered, I mean, it was already a bullish day, but then you add in that additional context and things, look that much more intriguing going forward. But now definitely updates need to be done after, today's price movement. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete these lines out. They've served their purpose for now. And one of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level, we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above that level of, 41.5 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 41.5, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, and that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period moving average. Keyword certainly being moving. I understand the price is way up there. That line's way down there. But as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher and get more and more relevant, which is helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 41.5 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as the areas of resistance, got to squeeze things down here a little bit to head back into the chart's history a tad. And the next key overarching battleground, definitely going to be right up there at the 45-cent mark. So 45 cents, public enemy number one here headed into Thursday. But all in all, any angle you look at it, great volume, great price movement. So let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.